Last topic of this module 3 is 6 box model. So to assess the functioning of organizations, American analyst Marvin Weisbord developed a framework that is called 6 box model. In this we will understand about 6 things. So let's see what this 6 box model is. So this model helps the companies to accurately assess the functionality of their business operations and process that drive the factors of growth and success. किसी भी कंपनी को क्या चाहिए? When a company is set up, they need growth, they need success. And with this growth and success of the organization, किसकी success and growth is there? Employees की. Right? So this model helps to reveal the number of interesting discoveries that help in growth of the business and the relates profits. And yes, everyone is in the market for the profits, right? So this model helps the business to focus on the common mistake what they are doing. But what happened, the company management, they assume that yes, they know everything and they understand each and every phase of the business. But there is always more and more to understand and to learn the competitive advantage, which this model helps. There are 6 things to understand through this model and through which my business can grow. And if a business grows, definitely I'll get the success. One of the main advantage of using this specific model is that it has the ability to adapt to the various kind of businesses domains. It is not restricted to any one industry. Any domain, any business domain, you can use this 6 box model to understand and to assess the functionality of the business and make it in the correct way. So Weisbord's 6 box model is comprised of the following components. Number 1, purpose. So what business we are in. Purpose means what business we are in. What is our mission? What is the vision? Next point is structure. How do we divide up the work? You are in the organization, you are working for an organization, so how you will divide the work, that is a structure. And to maintain the structure for any organization is a very important aspect. Number 3, that comes under this 6 box model. Number 3 box is relationships. So yes, it is very important to maintain the relationships in the organization, because if you will not maintain, there will be conflicts. So what will happen? Yes, conflicts may happen, but in this we learn, in this relationship model we learn that how do we manage the conflicts among people so that we can move ahead solving those conflicts. Next, number 5 box is leadership. Leadership means is someone keeping the boxes in balance, because you cannot, an organization cannot proceed or move on without the leadership. Last box of 6 box model is helpful mechanism. Do we have adequate coordinating technologies which tell in this helpful mechanism? So now we will see all these 6 box which are described in this model in detail. Now we will understand the very first and foremost box of 6 box model, that is purpose. As I told you that purpose helps you to carefully analyze and understand that what business are you in and what nature and type of business you want to move forward it on a long term basis. So you need to understand and figure out the types of products and services that you want to offer to the market. And you have to look out other things as well, like who will be your target audience, what will be your target market, figuring out the expected and unexpected hurdles that you may face while running the business. Plus, it is also very important to study and analyze that who are your direct and indirect competitors that can pose a threat to your business. So, in short, you need to make a plan where you have to look after all the aspects when you run a business. The second box of the 6-box model is structure. So the roles and responsibility of each and every one who is working for the organization is to attain the objectives and purposes of the organization. The proper and well-structured structuring of the business operation help to produce the desired outputs and take our business a long way with the competitive advantage. Let's understand with an example. So if the company come up with a good quality and the innovative product, but it is not very well structured, so what will happen here? Everything gets derailed. Let's take an example of Amazon. Amazon is a big platform, a big digital platform, online portal, right, where people wants to buy something. So what they will do, they will search. For example, you are going to search something for kitchen appliance. So you will sit with your mobile and you will start searching for the kitchen appliance. But when you are searching kitchen appliance in search boxes, and the results that are coming out will be different. So means that Amazon is not properly structured. So what will happen? You will leave that site. You will not access it next time because you know the structures are not proper. Poor structuring. Because of poor structuring, you are leaving the site. So it is very important to consider this point of model in the most crucial manner to successfully accomplish the goals and the objectives of the company. The third box of the 6-box model is about the relationships. So the success and growth of an organization or for a business are mainly dependent on the factor of relationships. There is a relationship between the management and the employees, between the management and employees with the outside parties such as investors, stakeholders, customers and other vendors. And there is a relationship between the employees and the technologies used. And all of the above, what I told you, the relationship between the management, employees and the outside parties. So they all should be fruitful in nature to attain the desired outputs. So this relationship should be, how it should be? They should be together because they all are working for the business. They all are working for the organization. So they should come together and they should have a good relationship to attain the success, to attain the growth of the business. Fifth box from the 6-box model is about rewards. And who doesn't like rewards? So yes, when the employees, they are rewarded for their efficiency of work, they always feel motivated and they function at their best of the capabilities. They do more work when they are rewarded. Earning the salary is a natural reward in any organization, but the management of the company needs to go an extra mile by rewarding the employees by going beyond the salaries to get the best and effective efforts out of them. Because everyone likes the rewards. To take this reward, they will do more work. They will provide, they will give you more effort in the organization. So management should go with this box. It is very important to create a culture within the entire organization where each and every member, not only the employees, each and every member, right from the top management to the executives and assistants, are rewarded for their good work to feel motivated and the sense of ownership towards the organization. Because when you are rewarded, you feel, you get a confidence, you get motivated. The management of the organization needs to have strong leadership skills, as it will not only keep the staff motivated but will help the organization to attain its aim and objectives in a successful manner. Having a strong leadership skills doesn't mean to rule the company, but the leader has to be caring here, understanding, patient, and work as a part of the team, leading them and the company towards the path of success. It's not like just to rule, but this leader has to stand with their employees in any problem and in any success. Wherever their employees stuck, this leader has to stand with them. This means a leadership. The last box from the 6-box model is helpful mechanisms. So it is very important for the organization to have a set of helpful mechanisms such as raw materials, technological resources, and others that help in attaining its objectives and stay relevant in the market, gaining the competitive advantage. It is important to keep a check on the changing market trends and dynamics, as the mechanisms that were once relevant can become redundant in nature. So, we need to always check the market trends कि आजकल market में क्या चल रहा है. And yes, if we keep that trend, if we keep checking that trend, we can bring that trend in our organization so that कि हमारी organization कहीं भी पीछे नहीं रहनी चाहिए. अगर आज का era, आज का digital era ये कहता है कि every organization should follow or should come on the social media, so why you are sitting and you are not on social media? Because nowadays your customers itself on social media. So how it is important, yes, it is very important to grab this social media platform so that people can recognize you, people can find you from social media. So we always need to go with the market trend so that we can attain the success and the growth for our business. So this 6-box model tell us about the how to assess the functioning of the organization so that we can attain the success, attain the growth in the organization. Thank you.